Hello, in today's video we are going to talk about ChatGPT applications. So, ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and ChatGPT is built in a GPT 3.5 architecture, has been trained and on a massive amount of data, allowing it to generate human-like responses to text-based queries. In this video we will explore some of the applications ChatGPT can offer and you can do. Mostly we will talk about the three main applications that are customer support, education, and content creation. So I asked ChatGPT what can you do about customer support. You can now read it or pause the video, but one of the most popular applications of ChatGPT is customer support. Mainly companies are using ChatGPT powered chatbots to handle customer queries and provide assistance. ChatGPT can understand the intent of the user and provide relevant responses, making it an effective way to handle a large volume of customer inquiries. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can also learn from past interactions and improve on time, making it more effective at providing solutions. And of course, here are listed. He answers you every solution, what he can do, what he cannot. So if you have an internet site, you can set it up. You don't need your email answers by you. ChatGPT can answer it, or some on the internet questions that are asked on your site, it can directly answer your customers, so you save time. The second one that I think is education. Very popular. ChatGPT can also be used in education to provide personal learning experience. Teachers can create chatbots using ChatGPT to interact with students and provide answers to the queries. ChatGPT can also be used to generate explanations and examples for complex topics, making it an effective tool for learning. And I asked ChatGPT if you can help by education, and it provides some answers for it. You can also make quizzes, everything. You can make tests, you can make your essays, you can make very important things that can help you by studying and saving time that you can study more. And the third one are for content creation. ChatGPT, another exciting application, is content creation. Yes, ChatGPT can generate high quality content on a worldwide range topic, making it a valuable tool for content creators. It can be used to generate blog posts, social media posts, and even product description. With ChatGPT content, creators can save time and effort by letting AI generate content for them. And when you ask it like me what it can do, you can see everything else. You could write assistance, editing, and profiling, and everything else. So it can write your script, it can write your scenario, it can put you to another sites of AI that can edit for you or make your thumbnails and make your life easier and quicker, that you can be more productive. So, in the conclusion, there you have it. Three applications of ChatGPT. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovation uses for ChatGPT in various industries with ability to understand natural language and generate human-like responses. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. So you can type on it, play with it. That are the three things that I want you to see. If you are interested, thank you guys for watching and listening to this educational informative video. Please leave a subscribe and like, and see you in the next one.